You got a fast car. I got a sweet electric scooter. Yes, that's right, people. We are unboxing a motorized scooter. Stick around. What's up, guys? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward, and I'm back again with another episode of Unbox This. We've unboxed motherboards, vacuums, CPU coolers, electric bikes, and now I'm adding motorized scooter to the list. The Fucare Commuter electric scooter is an eco-friendly way to travel locally. You can throw on a helmet and pop onto this bad boy if you're just trying to grab something at a nearby store or meet friends a few miles away. It's perfect for short surface street commutes. Now I'm excited to get this one out of the box. Let's unbox this. Time for a little snip snip. Whew, it's heavy. Whew, it's tough to get that one out. All right, I need to flip this over. Whoa. Whew. Let's cut off this little foam here. There it is, you guys. It's all set up, but we do have to unbox this, so I'm going to move this to the floor while we get into these boxes. Okay, let's open up this box here. Here we have the user manual and this fuse. This is a spare inner tube. This is a multi-tool. And here we have screws also for you to assemble your scooter. Here's your battery charger and a power cord. Here are the charger instructions. All right, you guys, that's everything that came in the box, so let's talk about the details of this electric scooter. This electric scooter will get you from place to place on its 10-inch air-filled tires. This built-in seat makes it so your ride is smooth and comfortable. It's a wide saddle made of comfortable, resilient foam, so you can have a relaxing riding experience. This scooter is built with your comfort in mind. The ergonomic design won't be hard on your joints. Talk about smooth riding. If you're scooting around at night, the LED taillight will keep you safe from other vehicles on the road, and cruise control will help you maintain your speed without hitting the gas. The LCD display up here lets you operate the headlight and indicates how much battery you have. It also tells you your speed and mileage and gives you the ability to enable cruise control. Now, this e-scooter can travel up to 40 miles on a single charge. The 48-volt lithium battery will keep your ride powered on for long distances, and all you need is 5 to 7 hours of charging time and you're ready to go. Overnight, your scooter can charge up and take you to work in the morning. The 250-watt motor provides high torque but also maintains low power consumption. You'll hit top speeds of 18.6 miles per hour, which is pretty darn fast for an electric scooter. But you guys, we can't just talk about a scooter. We have to test it out. So let's do that. Let's hit the road, people. Cash me outside. I'm taking this with me. Actually, let's get some help. See you outside, guys. I never thought I'd consider myself a scooter gal, but after riding around on this one, I'm a total convert. Electric scooters are more eco-friendly than cars, and this one has just enough speed to get me around my neighborhood quickly and efficiently. If you guys want to buy one of these for yourself, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys.